also with you, because some places the needs are a little bit more distant, some are very close to here, and so if you have the possibility to cover all these places we planned, then okay. If no, we have to agree in another and different way. So the demands are enormous everywhere. You are welcome, and you can help. And I have here a member of the volunteer firefighting station from Cerknica, where the problems are enormous, and also from Electro Ljubljana. There is somebody here who can clarify the things.
Staff in Ljubljana, so we will give you the phone numbers and also the email. Okay, good. So today is the first day, second day, and Wednesday afternoon possible change already. Okay, Maribor. Maribor is actually the most distant. This is actually the entry point where you enter the country. Yeah, this is Maribor.
So it's the place.
This is the place. Here.
If you go from Maribor, highway down. On the highway down, you have to find Slovenski Komice.
Celje up to north, to Velenje and Dravograd. So, and 4 generators are needed here. Maribor, we have one power generator 500 and 3 generators 150.
Check it with Mr. Sgan on the telephone line. Because I see there's a link.
We can check, or you can check. We will check.
No, but the one on the